Welcome back to my channel Learning Point with DK, and today I am going to teach you chapter 4 for your MCQ point of view exam. Now I am what saying that if you like my video, definitely you're watching it, so you are liking it, so like it and subscribe and then share among your friends and groups so that I can keep giving you such videos which will be definitely beneficial for you. Now moving to this chapter, I want to finish soon and with lots of benefits. See here, first of all, this is Anne Frank. Anne Frank was born in 12 June 1929 and died in Feb March in 1945. These are the important points, so I have highlighted also. Then you see was a German Jew. She was born in Germany, and the religion was Jewish religion, and that's why she was a German Jewish. Then you see that she used to write her feeling in her diary, and the name of the diary was Kitty. It was when she turned 13th years, that is 13th birthday she was 13 years old, and that time she was given the gift Kitty named the diary. Diary was a red with the red cover, and the name was given of the diary Kitty by Anne Frank herself. Then we have the father's name, Otto Frank. The name of the Anne Frank's father's name, that was Otto Frank, and the mother's name Edith Hollander Frank. So father's name Otto Frank and mother's name Edith Hollander Frank. You see that parents, they were married. They married when the father was 36 years old and mother was 25 years old. Remember, the age of father was 36 and the mother's age was 26 when they, 25 when they married. Then the father went to Holland in 1933 and the mother went in September in the same year. It means mother and father, they went to Holland in 1933, and grandmother, that the both sisters, they were sent to Aachen, Aachen to live with the grandmother, and Granny fell ill seriously. So when Granny fell ill seriously, so she was admitted in the hospital, she was operated, and because of that, Anne Frank's birthday passed with little celebration. There was not that much of pomp and show. A very simple celebration was done because of the grandmother's operation. And then finally, this operation was done in 1941, remember. And then the next year, the following year, the grandmother died in 1942. Then she wrote in her diary on Saturday. This is also the date important. You may have the question given. First of all, see entry in her diary, that is Saturday 20 June 1942. And then Mrs. Cuprus. Mrs. Cuprus was the headmistress of the Montessori Nursery School. So you may have the question about that. Who was the mistress of Anne Frank? And then you will have the answer. Mrs. Cuprus, and which school? Montessori Nursery School. Then we have the next one here. This is also what when she started living at that time to move to father's house. That time Mrs. Cuprus and Anne Frank's both eyes were filled with tears because they were very much attached to each other. Then see Frank and Jean. This is what when she started writing in her diary the first time on Saturday 20 June 1942. This is the date of the diary entry. In that time, you see, she was writing about her experience in school, that there were two boys named here Cian and Jacques, and they were betting over it, okay, who will pass, and one is saying that yeah, you will pass, and second, no, I won't pass. So having seen that this kind of stupidity and then betting on such things, that time Anne Frank and then her friend Jean both were laughing at them, and the way they were stupidity showing. Then see next is this about interesting part of this story. Maths teachers Mr. Kissing. Mr. Kissing actually was disturbed with the talk of Anne Frank and asked Anne Frank again and again to stop talking in the class. However, she was not to stop that, was stopping that, and because of that, Anne Frank was punished with what is the writing that was extra, that was the chatterbox, and the second one was given to her, that was here incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible means chatterbox means a talkative, and then incorrigible means one who cannot be corrected or reformed, that person who is not be changed into a good thing. That is what is incorrigible. So she was somewhere that time incorrigible. So this second the time she was given the task an incorrigible chatterbox. And the third time when she was still talking. So what happened when the second time she was given, and the first time she wrote the chatterbox in which she mentioned about with her powerful imagination thought she had two reasons because of that she could not stop her talking in the class. The first thing that students they have this right to talk in the class because this is in them by nature. Second is that she got this because she could not stop because she got it from mother, because mother was also very talkative and she could not talk less than mother, because this she got from her mother, and that is by hereditary. So she could not control her this thing because of hereditary problem. Then that was an interesting one. However, Mr. Kissing, the math teacher, did not like that because she continued her talking, and the second time she was given an incorrigible chatterbox, and then she didn't stop. Then again she was given the quack quack quack, said Mistress Chatterbox, and in this time she wanted to get help from one friend, that is Sane, Sane, because Sane was good at writing poems, and that's why she asked her and she helped, and then she wrote a story. She wove a story that was around a swan and the duck, mother duck, and three ducklings. And swan killed three ducklings because they used to talk a lot. They were very talkative. So here somewhere Anne Frank tried to explain this, how Mr. Kissing torturing her because of her talk a lot in the class, and that's like killing her. In somewhere this is what you see, that Mr. Kissing did not take it negatively and very positively he took, and not only allowed her to talk in the class but also told this story in the different classes and very good mood and then laughable note. So that's what the whole story here, and I explained. I hope you have understood this one. In short, I am telling you this, the whole story is about Anne Frank. She was a German Jewish girl born in 1929, and then when she was 13 years old at that time, she got the diary Kitty, in which she mentioned about her feelings. In that diary she mentioned she had no, actually she had the family, she had relatives, and so there are many people, but still there is not a single person whom she could rely or the confide her on secrets. That's why she want, and she is saying that the paper means a diary. Diary is more trustworthy than any other person, and that's why she wanted to write down there, because diary won't say anyone your secrets, but the people may say, and she could not believe other people, and that's why she wanted to write, and she started writing and making giving one name of the diary Kitty, and Kitty was her closest friend. So this is how she started writing there. Overall, this is the summary of this story, and I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.